Good morning, everybody. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own cold brew coffee. And all you need is one of these, some of this, and some water. Check this out. So the way this works, guys, is this thing has a little lid, and this comes out for you to add the coffee into. So all I really need to do is open the coffee up, pour it down the middle of this thing, and this stuff's a little coarser. That's why it works well for this kind of coffee. You see it's in there now. It's full. And then just pour water over the top of it, like this, until it fills up. And the last step is I just take a butter knife and I stir it up a little bit to get that coffee released into the water, and you can see it'll turn a little darker. And then I'm gonna let this sit for overnight or a few hours. You can put it in the fridge if you want. I usually pour mine over ice. And then after it sits for a few hours, I'm going to stir it again, and then it's done. It's really good, guys. Really, really good. Just make sure you get some good cold brew coffee grounds. Okay, guys, here's the final step. I just pour it in there. Premium iced coffee. Super yummy. Good stuff, guys. Pretty good.